Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kima Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group RBD. So this is some live. I'm reacting to like 8 videos today to RBD live in Houston, and this is a song AUN Hey Algo. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Like I said, I am not a Spanish speaker. I took Spanish in high school just to graduate, and I did because I went to college 4 years. Now I'm in my second college. Oh, can't wait to get this paralegal degree. But this is the live performance to the song AUNHAY Algo in Houston. I'm gonna go in and out because I am tired of them blocking my shit. I wonder if they're too also gonna have like a tour. Yes. Oh my god, this was exactly how I used to dress when I was in high school. The goth kid, like Hot Topic and Spencer emo attire. That was me. I have every different version of Timberlands you could think about. When it comes to gothic skulls, chains, and you could think of crosses and stuff. When I was younger, I used to be darker than this. Like, do you see how black my phone is? I used to be this dark because I used to run track when I was younger. Yes, my fat self used to run track when I was younger. When I was a slim fish back then, but now I'm a big bitch. And I used to be so dark, and when my skin was starting to become lighter, like you see right now, my eyes used to be dark. And people used to thought I used to wear makeup. It wasn't makeup. So I just went with that emo look. I worked everything around that emo look with a black, and then it was like the only thing I didn't do was paint my nails. I didn't do that, but I used to wear gloves and stuff. The blood, the skulls, and everything. High school. Good times. Just like his eyes. We see you, Chris. Dun, 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 hey. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Oh, she looks really good in that brunette. Hey. Hey. It sucks that they got separated for a long year hiatus. It's so sad. Oh. Yes, bitch. Yes, 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 yes. So that was my reaction video to the group RBD. As I said over and over before, I really do enjoy this group. I really do like this group. And yes, Chris is like one of my favorite from that group. I really do love Chris. Just bring back memories to college. I would say that over and over again. So I found me a YouTube channel that had like a remastered version to the separate songs in live in Houston. So I decided to react to this one, and I really do like it. I want to say thanks so much for the recommendation that everyone's given me. I really do appreciate it, and the patience too. Some of you guys are very rude and nasty, but it's okay because I'm here for it. And some of you guys are very nice and positive, which is okay too because I'm also here for it. Negative or bad, I'm here for it. But for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I go to as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.